Hey guys, I'm going to introduce you to a website to make comics quickly and easily. Let's start with creating a student account after accessing to Pixton.com. You can sign up through Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Or if your teacher has shared with you a classroom code or link, you can create an account via that code or link too. Then you will be able to customize your avatar. Diverse outfit, hair, and poses, etc. are offered. You can design your character as you wish. When you access your dashboard, go into the classroom. Click Create Now button on the blank comic module and enter a title for this comic. Now you can begin to make your comic by choosing any of the tabs near the top. Firstly, choose a background that best describes your script. You can search a keyword or use the Filter tab for font selection. If you can't find a suitable one, you can also upload your own background by clicking the camera button under the preview window. Moving to the Character tab, you can customize the characters with diverse outfits, colors, and hairs. You can also choose your own pre-made characters and your classmates' avatars from my class. Focus tab allows you to change the position and focus of the characters. Also, some dramatic focuses are provided. Narrations are important. 4 types of bubbles are available to make this scenario more coherent, like speech, thought, shout, and whisper. You can also add caption to tell the background of the story. Caption types can be changed too. Don't forget to modify the facial expression of the character. Move to the Faces tab and make your characters more vivid by adjusting the eyes focus, etc. The Final Action tab ensures you to change the pose of the characters. You can also modify the character's pose to left side, center, or right side. After completing one scene, click the Add Panel button on the left to create the next. Finally, when completing the comic design, press the Done button on the top right. Return to the dashboard. Double-click the comic to download, print, and share the link with others. A few layouts are available for you to download and print. Pick the one you want. Go and enjoy creating your first comic with this quick and easy tool.